not a plumber. Nice to see you yet again. So this little guy right here, see this? I couldn't figure out what the heck once this was initially here, because I was thinking maybe I have to go in here to put off the shower head. This is the old shower head. And then I brought a piece into Home Depot and the guy's like, I've never seen that before. What you gotta do is just pull this head off, which I did. And the next thing I'll do, set this down. The next thing I'll do is tape the long end, this threaded area. I'll tape that up and then put this pipe thread sealant on it. And then it goes in there, and then I can attach this end to our new Costco shower head. You got to screw it tight with your little tool here. It'll bite you. That didn't bite me. I don't know what the words I'm trying to say. Kind of tight there. It's the tile. The tile kind of goes. I think that's good. Do you think that's good?
Looks good.
You take the tape. You put the tape on this part right here. You wrap it around. Make it nice. That's nice enough. I don't really care. Okay, so then this guy goes on. Beautiful. Maybe. Oh, come on. Find your groove, my brother. Where's that? Oh, wait. It doesn't want me to do it because that's supposed to go on first. Is that even right? You gotta do is have patience. There it is. It's like that. And then what I'll do is I'll take my little handy tool. And we'll tighten that just a bit. Like this, as awkward as you can. Right there. Look at that. And then this guy, tighten nut, 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 nut. That goes right here. Nut. And this little bad puppy. Oh, tighten nut. That's why it said to do it that direction. So you should look at the words it says and not be a total tool. Tighten her up real good. And then that sits right here. And then when you turn the water on, it'll spray everywhere. So this goes, where's my, oh, baby. This goes right here. Oh. You know what you want to do every time you do water jobbers? You want this little bit of tape right in here. Let's make it as messy as possible. Try to straighten that out a little bit at least. Oh, it's fine. Who cares? I don't really care. I'm not a plumber. I don't know why you people think I'm a plumber. I'm not. Alright, screw this tight. So tight! Oh! Drop it. Make sure you break something when you drop it. And then you're gonna put more of the goobly gobbly tape on here. Just do as many as you think Bob Vila would do. Let me do that. What would Bob Vila do? He would take his time and not rush through it like I am. And then you put this on here. Tighten it up. Move this tape down here. Oh my gosh. Is it all tight? And then you set that here, and you take a shower with water.